What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we want to talk about what type of oil does my car take. Man, so someone asked me that question. They were like, yo, what type of oil does my car take? I'm like, alright, cool. This is a great 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. And one point in time, I ain't gonna say in line, your boy did not know what type of oil that his Nissan Maxima took or his Nissan 200 SX took. So, yeah. Yeah, I remember that was the most embarrassing thing, going to the store. I'm like, yo, I went straight to the oil, and I'm like, yo, what type of oil does my car take? Yes, the AutoZone people, they can look it up and tell you what type of oil your car take. But what if you just telling somebody, hey, can you pick up some oil? And they're like, yo, what type of oil does your car take? If you want to, pop the hood of the vehicle and look at the oil cap, and it will tell you what type of oil your vehicle take. Or if the oil cap does not have that, you can look in your owner's manual, look in the table of contents where it says oil, and it will let you know what type of oil your vehicle takes. Because you do not want to put the wrong oil in your vehicle, because if you put the wrong oil in your vehicle, it may cause serious damage in your vehicle, and you don't want those problems. Like I tell you all the time, your car is an investment. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our ArtOfSpeedd family, go and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.